Good morning, it's day number 5 at the van conversion, and today it's a really moody day. As you see around me, the clouds are going around all these mountains. It's not happening so often. It's really nice to see. It's not a sunny day, but it's not raining, so that's good. It's about 13-14 degrees. I want to have it a little bit more cleaner. Spider. Yeah, the car looks like a mess. I need to clear some space before. Now I'm going to cut the hole into the roof of the car. As I did yesterday, I marked everything. I'm just going to take control of the measurements, but everything is in place. So now I'm cutting in the corners. Not cutting, making a hole in the corner. Just doing some more holes so I can see it easy from the top where I can cut. Here I have a metal jigsaw blade. Hope this will not break. It looks like I have only one. Otherwise I need to check at least. So now it's ready and I'm going to take you with me on the roof. And now it's raining, of course. I have a problem. I don't know how I should get on the roof. I'm free of a ladder. Now I'm improvising a little bit. I was getting myself some boards. Need to sit on the roof if I would like to cut precise. So now I will mark up the circle again. And I don't have it. Just jumping out. Now I finished cutting the hole here through the roof, as you see. So now I will try to check if the fan will fit. The driving direction is that way. It's a perfect fit. I just need to support everything underneath here. Okay, now I need to take care about the part I cut. So now I'm just preparing the edges and make it nice. I take you up. Now I just removed the old paint and rusty places because I will repaint it just in case for better protection. Now I'm just applying a plastic that not all paint is going in. I was trying it with paper first, but it's only falling down because of bad tape. Now I'm spraying this on the metal. First I need to wipe. Now I'm using white paint that I can mount today the fan, hopefully. Anything. Just want to see if it fits. Hope the frame is not deformated. I need to check that everything is okay. And now I placed every single screw around the whole frame. So now I need to seal it around. And I just want to double check if I should use tape and then sealant, or only sealant and not tape. I see there are some gaps which I need to figure out and fix. Yeah, the whole frame went down. Shit. Somehow it was too early, so I need to reassemble. Now I just saved the day. Now it's managed. Now I should remove it. It should be stable and nice. You can't wait too long with this stuff if it's getting dry. You have a big problem when you need to start all over again and remove everything, every single piece. But it's good now. Now I just need to check how I will seal the rest. According to the manual of this fan, you don't need to seal it around, but I like to be sure, so I will do it anyway. And the option is, if you do it like in the manual, you have to use a lot of sealant underneath, so it pushes out everything. I did not use so much because I want to seal it around after as well and make a nice look around. I hope you enjoyed this movie and learned something about how you can mount the fan on your own van. I tried to make it as detailed as possible and the movie not too long as possible, so I tried to keep it simple. And if you have any suggestions or comment, please let me know. And of course, if you have any questions, just write below. I'm happy to answer your questions. Follow me up on my YouTube Vanbuild series. I made a playlist. I will put the link down below or up on the corner where you can find the whole playlist. And it would be nice if you could follow me on my Instagram account. I'm going to put all movies on the Instagram Reels. It's just a short movie, about 30 seconds, from the whole YouTube movie. I had to step up this day 5, since it was several steps, several work in progress, which I did. Hopefully it's possible to split it on a good manner. My plan was original to make a van build in 7 days, but it was actually too much work. So I will not fulfill the 7-day conversion. I had many problems with weather conditions and a lot of wind. So I had to, it was not so effective as I thought it would be. But I will be showing it in the next movie. So please follow it up and see you there.